welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be potting this bonsai. So I'm going to bring you in close to have a look around the bonsai. So this is the bonsai. So we're going to get it out this pot. And we're going to get it out the soil. As you can see, there's loads of branches on it. So there will be future work on this. And you can hear Howard, because he's sitting in the pond over there. Well, sitting soon. So we're going to get it out this soil and we're going to put it in a better pot. And there's Howard, he's making all the noise. Sitting in this pond. Maybe he might start making bonsai. So this is the pot I've chosen out to put the hemlock in. So I've got the drainage system. So I'm going to cut a piece of this out to put in the bottom, and I've got some wire to keep it in place. So we're going to cut a bit out. So we've got our bit cut out. So we're going to put it in there. And with our wire, we're going to make sure it stays in there. So we're going to cut that excess off. So we'll go bit down and snip it off. So it keeps the mesh in place. So we've got it in place to keep the soil from going out and all the soil going. I've got the supplies we need for a pot, so we're just going to get the tree out. Jesus, look, all them creepy crawlers. So we're going to start getting away, getting all the soil off. Start at the bottom. So we're going to get all the soil off as much as we can. And we're going to put new soil in it. So we're going to keep at this until we've got most of the soil off. Look at all them roots. So I'm going to have to go and wash the roots. Then hopefully we can put it in a new pot. Then we'll come back and see what we can cut off. After washed it, we'll see this is thick, too thick, and it's going straight down. So what we're going to do is just cut it. And this is going down, but we can get this to come out the pot. So we're just going to add the tree down and cut it off. There. So a bit comes out. So we're going to flatten it out at the bottom. So I'm going to put it with my left hand. And we're just going to cut it off here. So flatten it off. So loads of roots are not everywhere. I'm going to move this one out the way and we're just going to cut it off straight. So it's flat. So there we have it. Put it out flat. This will come out. So it'll be like windswept. I think that's what it's called because it's kind of tilting. So when it's in the pot, it'll probably be put in that way So it looks like the wind's been pushing it that way. So I'm going to get the pot, put the bonsai in the pot, and we're going to fill it up with soil, make sure it stays there. So keep on watching. So off camera, I've just put in the tying wire. So when I have the front of the tree in, the wire be able to keep it in place. So Scott, I'm going to show you how to use a tying wire. So we're going to put soil in, just a bit. Not that much because I won't be able to get the tree in. So I'm going to find the angle I want, which will be about there, and I'm going to top it off with some more soil. So that's the angle I want, and I'm going to put in some soil to top it off and make sure it stays there, so I can show Scott how to use a tying wire. So I've got enough soil to tie my tree in. So I need to if I can get it. So I need to twist and pull. I've got the tree tied in, and now we're just going to top it off with soil. So we're gonna, might need a bit more, and I'm not sure. So I'm just pushing it down to make sure it stays. And I think I've got nothing. So we've got it in. Now we're going to use the chopsticks to get all the air out. So this gets all the air that's underneath the soil. So I think that's enough. So there we have it. We've got all the soil in. So I think that's it. I think we've successfully repotted the tree. So this is successfully done. I'm going to come in close. So this is the tree after. We've done getting all the air out. So we've got it in like a wind swept. Because it goes from going up to going sideways. So there we have it. I want to bring these in close to have a full look around the tree because it's done. So this is after. So we've successfully repotted this tree. So now I just need to go and look for a place to put the tree at, which will probably be up on the top. So that's the tree all finished. So I'm going to give it some water and we're going to put it on the bench. Thank you for watching. And as we would say, ta-da folks.